Hi, it's Jill with Page Turner Adventures. Happy holidays. We've been getting a lot of questions and requests for information about whether we are doing another summer reading program this year. And the answer is yes, we are. And I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. So many exciting things to tell you about. It's going to be a little different than what we've done in past years, but it's going to be a lot of fun and hopefully really helpful for you. So we're going to tell you all about that in January, but if you'd like to kind of get on the list so that I make sure you get that information, please click the link below. Also, when you click that link, you can let us know if there's anything in particular you would like to see that would be helpful for you, that you would like us to do. So, just give us some feedback there. We'd love to hear it. And I also want to let you know that I'm going to be doing a storytelling webinar workshop in early February with all kinds of interactive stories. It's going to be so much fun. Again, fill out that same form button, quick, fast, I promise. And I will see you in January. Happy New Year.